Mr. Herbert, it's 6 o'clock. I'm not really tired yet.
Well, you had those 3 cups of NyQuil. You'll be down soon enough.
Okay. Good night, Mr. Herbert.
Sweet dreams, Chris.
Mr. Herbert, what's life really all about?
Well, I suppose it's about trying new things, sampling the sweet, safe, not being afraid to take everything life wants to throw up on into you.
Wow, I never looked at it like that before. Thanks, Mr. Herbert. But don't you think it's scary to try new things?
No, Chris. Life is like a new baseball glove. At first, you think you're never going to get a ball in there. But then you oil it up, work your fingers around in there a little, and pretty soon you're pitching and catching.
I guess that makes sense. Sorry.
You really know how to waste a Cialis, don't you?